Okay, so for this one, 7 days ago, I saw that it was a young queen not laying yet, which is fine. But I want to force her into that bottom box now. It's June 27th, and by now, I really want the queens starting to establish a really good nest down in the bottom box and not working their way up into the top box, especially if she's not laying anyway. She should have plenty of room to lay down in the bottom. But we'll inspect the top first, as soon as I can find my smoker. I actually have my hive tool. I didn't lose it this time. But it's been a busy day. Okay, so I will go through this top box and see if I find her here. It's a box with nothing drawn out yet, so it's not very likely that she'll be up here yet. And it should allow me to get through it pretty quickly. Let's go. Nothing. Nothing on this frame. Really no bees in here at all in this top box. It's almost like they have no business having a second box, but I obviously put it on because there's a good number of bees down below. But really, until she starts laying and starts multiplying those bee numbers, they have no interest in this top box. Now they're starting to build some comb up to it. Yeah, there's a good number of bees down there. See, the queen could be over here, just based on that big clump of bees over there. Let's get some smoke on them. They're pretty calm. Nice honey frame, with room for her to lay, if she so desires. Next frame. Another honey frame. First couple of frames are pretty light as far as bees go, but that's going to change now in the next frame after this one. We're drying this one out. She'll be on this one soon. And they are rimming this one nicely with honey around the outside so that she can lay in the middle. This one's almost all honey. I'm just going to turn it around so that the other side is facing in, because that side is more queen laying friendly. Nothing laid here yet. No eggs on this one either. Next 3 frames, I think, are going to tell the story. This one's heavy. Not all nectar. Well, it's rimmed with honey, but they still have space in the middle for her to lay, which is good. But it's a very heavy frame, so there must be a lot of honey on this side. Oh yeah, there you go. Here's the story right there. Honey and bee bread, just a complete stores frame, which is fine. They need this. I'm just going to turn it around again so that the empty space is facing inside. That, I think, is better for the queen. Nice light frame. I see eggs in here. Just the beginning of larva. So she's been on here within a couple of days. So there's a good chance she's going to be on the other side of this or on the next frame. I don't see her, do you? Just gonna move them out of the way so I can see what they're working on. Yeah, I do see eggs in here. Lots of eggs. She's just starting to lay. Literally in the last few days. All right. That's good. Let's hope we find her on this frame. No queen, but definitely larva and eggs. And some there she is. Wow, big one. Big, beautiful one. Look at her right at the top there. Nice queen. Wow. Okay. Let's let her back in. She's doing fine. She's predictable. She is laying. So that's good. All right, so we're gonna get an excluder on here just to keep her down here. Let them continue to make space for her to lay down here as opposed to up top. And, you know, they probably could get away without the second box, but I'm away for 2 weeks. So this queen keeps laying, that'd probably be all right. Like that brood, the eggs that she's just laid is not gonna go anywhere in 2 weeks. It'll just be on its way to being hatched, I guess. But that won't, I don't think that will make the hive so tight that they would want to swarm. But I don't care. Got the second box on. I'm going to leave the second box on with the excluder now. And this hive's doing well. So thanks for joining me. That 40 honeybee.